The Windowless Portable Air Conditioner 41 is an innovative cooling solution designed to bring refreshing airflow to your home without the need for complicated installation or window access. Unlike traditional air conditioners that require venting systems, this evaporative air cooler works efficiently by circulating cool, moist air throughout the room, creating a comfortable and refreshing environment. Its tall 41-inch design allows for better air distribution, making it suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, or any indoor space where reliable cooling is needed. One of the most appealing aspects of this portable air cooler is its convenience. Because it operates without requiring a window installation, you can place it anywhere in the room and start enjoying cool airflow almost instantly. This flexibility makes it ideal for apartments, small homes, or spaces where installing a traditional air conditioner may not be practical. The sleek and modern design also blends well with most interior spaces while maintaining a compact footprint. The evaporative cooling system helps lower the surrounding temperature by using water or ice to create cooler air. As warm air passes through the cooling pads, it is transformed into a refreshing breeze that helps reduce heat and improve comfort. This method of cooling is also more energy efficient compared to many traditional air conditioners, making it a cost-effective option for daily use. The powerful airflow ensures that the cool air circulates effectively, helping maintain a pleasant indoor environment even during hot days. Another advantage of this portable cooler is its user-friendly operation. The controls are straightforward, allowing you to adjust fan speed, cooling modes, and airflow direction easily. Many models also include additional features like timers, oscillation, and remote control functionality, which make it simple to customize the cooling experience based on your comfort preferences. The large water tank capacity ensures longer cooling sessions without the need for frequent refills. Mobility is another key benefit of this cooling system. Equipped with smooth rolling wheels, the unit can be easily moved from room to room depending on where cooling is needed most. This makes it highly practical for households that require flexible cooling solutions throughout the day. Overall, the 41-inch windowless portable air conditioner is an efficient and practical alternative to traditional air conditioning units. Its evaporative cooling technology, powerful airflow, portable design, and easy operation make it one of the best cooling fans for maintaining comfort in warm environments while keeping energy consumption low.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.